Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So your Android phone won't turn on, and you're probably freaking out right now. Don't worry, this is actually more common than you think, and there are several things you can try before heading to the repair shop. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is check if your battery is completely dead. Plug your phone into a charger and leave it there for at least 30 minutes. Sometimes phones completely drain and need time to power back up. Make sure you're using an official charger or a reputable third-party one, because cheap chargers might not provide enough power. Step 2. If charging doesn't work, try a hard reset by holding down the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. On most Android phones, you might need to hold the power and volume down buttons together simultaneously. This forces the phone to shut down and restart, which can fix many software glitches. Step 3. Next, check if your phone is showing any signs of life like vibrations, LED lights, or boot animations. Sometimes phones get stuck on the boot screen, and you won't see anything happening. If you notice anything, it means your phone is trying to start but something is preventing it. Step 4. Try connecting your phone to a computer and see if it's recognized. If your device shows up in your file manager or device manager, then the hardware is actually working fine and it's just a software issue. You can then try updating or reinstalling your Android system from there. Step 5. If none of that works, it might be a hardware issue like a faulty charging port, battery, or motherboard problem. At this point, I'd recommend backing up any important data if possible and taking your phone to an authorized repair center. They have the proper tools and expertise to diagnose what's really going on with your device.